In the dripping heart of the world's rainforests lives a creature of almost impossible beauty, clothed in colors that rival the finest gemstones and carrying one of nature's most lethal secrets, the poison dart frog. The male begins with song. His call, a high, insistent trill, pierces the constant noise of the rainforest. It is both an advertisement and a challenge to rivals, a warning. To females, a promise. When a female approaches and accepts his advances, the pair enter amplexus, the ancient embrace of frogs. She will release her eggs. He will fertilize them. In this moment, an extraordinary journey begins. Unlike most frogs, poison dart frogs do not lay their eggs in water. The female deposits a small clutch, usually 4 to 13 eggs, directly on a moistened leaf on the forest floor. What happens next overturns every assumption we have about cold-blooded creatures. The male stands guard over the eggs. He moistens them daily with water from his own skin and body, never straying far. Devotion in miniature. After 10 to 14 days, the eggs hatch. The tadpoles that emerge are helpless, transparent, fragile, barely a centimeter long. They do something no tadpole of most species can do. They wriggle up onto their father's back. The male carries each tadpole one by one on a remarkable journey, climbing trees, navigating the vertical rainforest, to deposit each young one into its own private pool of water, collected in the cup of a Bromeliad plant high above the forest floor. Each tadpole lives alone in its Bromeliad pool, a universe no larger than a teacup, but it is not abandoned. The mother returns regularly, climbing to each Bromeliad to deposit unfertilized eggs directly into the water. These eggs are not offspring. They are food delivered personally by the mother. Over the following weeks, the tadpole grows. Slowly, impossibly, legs begin to bud from its sides. Its tail shortens. Its lungs develop. The transformation from water breather to air breather has begun. After 6 to 8 weeks in its private pool, the transformation is complete. The tail is gone. 4 legs stand ready. Lungs breathe air. The tadpole has ceased to exist, and in its place stands something extraordinary. The froglet that emerges is a perfect, miniature replica of its parents, barely the size of a fingernail, and already its skin carries the first traces of those vivid, warning colors that will define its entire life. The colors that make these frogs so breathtakingly beautiful serve a single, ruthless purpose: warning. This is apposematism, nature's most honest advertisement. Every predator that survives an encounter with a poison dart frog will never make the same mistake twice. The golden poison frog, Phyllobates terribilis, carries enough batrachotoxin in its skin to kill 10 adult humans. Yet it gains its poison not from within, but from the ants and mites it eats in the wild. Remove it from the rainforest, and within generations the poison fades, a borrowed weapon from the forest itself. In a world of drab survival, the poison dart frog chose a different path: to be seen, to be known, to be unforgettable. In doing so, it became one of the most beautiful and most dangerous creatures our planet has ever made.